Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to add subtasks on Asana, your ultimate project management tool for 2025. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your Asana app and navigate to the task where you want to add a subtask. We start here because your main task serves as the parent for the subtasks you're about to create. Next up, click on the task's title. You'll see an option that says Add Subtask. The reason we do this is to break down your large task into manageable parts, making it easier to accomplish. Now, click on Add Subtask, and a new window will appear. Here, you can name your subtask, set a due date, and assign it to a team member if necessary. This helps us because it allows us to delegate specific parts of a task to different people, keeping everything organized and everyone accountable. Once you're done inputting the details, hit Enter. Let me explain why this matters. Hitting Enter effectively adds the subtask to your list, making it visible to everyone with access to your project. Remember, you can add as many subtasks as you need to a single task. Now that we've done that, all your subtasks are nested under your main task, creating a clear, visual hierarchy of what needs to be done. And that's it. You've successfully added subtasks to your Asana task. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly improve your project management by breaking down complex tasks into manageable chunks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.